Hi, I'm Brad with High Octane Rentals, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to operate the machine and all of the instruments on both our Summit 600 and our Summit 850. We do have two models of the 850, both one in 165-inch track and a 154-inch track, but the operation's going to be the same for both of them. So let's start with the 600. Okay, of course you've got the brake here, the gas throttle here, the parking brake. You just pull in the brake, flip the lever, and it is now in park. To release the parking brake, just pull it in and it releases the lever. Okay, to start the machine, it's electric start. So pull up kill switch, just twist it. Now get started. Put the machine in reverse. You want to twist it one more time, and the machine is now in reverse. You can hear the obnoxious beep. Let you know that it's definitely in reverse. Take it out of reverse, click it one more time, and it's in drive. Okay, these are the hand and thumb warmers. It has 6 different settings. So this is to bring the hand warmer down and push it that way, and the hand warmers go up. This is low beam. You want high beam for the headlights, is right there. It says 87, but please use 91 octane. We do go empty to empty, so the machine will have some gas, but we don't know how much. Please top it off before you leave, and then you don't worry about it when you bring it back. Glove compartment will have the registration in it. That's pretty much it as far as the instruments on the 600. Now let's go over to the 850. Okay, again, the similarities are the brakes. Again, you just pull in the brake to put in the part and flip the lever for the parking brake. To release it, just pull the brake in. You have your kill switch. The electric start is this little orange button. Push that orange button down, it'll start it. If you want to put it in reverse, once it's started, just push that orange button down again, and it will be in reverse. Again, it has the obnoxious beep, so you know that you're in reverse. To take it out of reverse, push it again, and you no longer are in reverse. There's your kill switch, and that is how you operate both the Summit 850 and the Summit 600.